Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this drop-in shadow frame on CapCut PC. So I have this video right here. I'm going to copy and paste that, and I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller than the background. Then I'm going to go to the effects section, just search for blur. I already have it in my favorites, so I'm just going to select it and I'm going to drag it and place it inside of the background. You can adjust how blurry you want it to be. I'm just going to leave it at like 23%. Go back to media and go to the library here and add in a black stock video. If it's not long enough, just freeze frame it and just adjust it throughout the whole video. Then you're going to select the mask button here. Select the rectangle and you're going to adjust it to the video on top, like on the foreground. Then you're just going to feather that out. And that's pretty much it. Really, it's super simple, but it creates this really cool and nice effect. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!